What's going on, guys? So, new day, new video. We do something a little different today. I'm not gonna lie, I've actually been working on the old half ton. Some motors actually sitting on motor plates and trans cross member and stuff. But that's a different video. Today, that heater core for the 57 finally showed up. Believe it or not, it's been about a month, and we're actually having some mild weather. It's kind of 10 below or something like that Celsius. I don't know what that is in your American language, but it's not too bad for us. So I want to put this heater core in, but I don't really feel like doing it inside. So my old man actually offered up his garage. He'll actually let me turn the heat on there, and if you know old people and old dudes, touching the thermostat's a big deal. So I do have to go to work today yet, but I'm hoping I can get the hot rod fired up and yeah, drop off my old man's before I gotta start. Let it melt off. It still has that power draw, which I didn't fix, but I did disconnect the battery. Oh, this hood won't stay up. So, what are the odds it's gonna start? I'm pretty confident. Interior light. Oh. Fuel pump. Wow. It's hard to argue with these LS motors, I gotta say. Alright. I'll brush this thing off and we'll go for a little ride. Motoring. It's a little chilly out for sure. I gotta have the damn window down so the thing doesn't fog up. But my plan is actually to get this thing for a quick car wash, get all snow off, and then it'll dry off in my old man's garage while I'm at work, so I don't gotta line a big puddle. Planning ahead. Shined her all up. So yeah, just gotta call my old man. We'll go get that figured out. Go get dropped off. Danny can give me a ride back. Off to work for a little bit. And after work, I might go look at a hot rod. So we'll go see how that goes. And then midnight auto repairs. Never a dull moment. All right. Let's meet the old man's garage. Wow, this thing's way bigger than I remember. But the garage. Let this thing de-thaw a little bit, put in a few hours overtime, go look at a hot rod I don't need, and then come back and work on this pile. So, ooh, that's frozen. This is the long-awaited, overpriced heater core. I think they made it and shipped it right from China or something like that. But alright, I'll see you guys later. Alright, well, it's many hours later. Finished work, went and looked at another car, it's junk. So, off the MERS, hopefully get this car all back together, maybe, and drive it home. But it's gonna be dark right away. I wanna get this done. Day really got away from me. Well, I got here, I pulled the heater core out of the box and immediately realized I forgot the old heater core with this little plate. I guess this kind of locates it. So I had to drive all the way home to get it. But whatever. I guess there's worse things. It's not that far of a drive. And it looks like it's the exact same thing. So that's good. Worth the stupid wait. I'm hoping I'll be able to kind of put this sucker back on, slip it in there. I forgot about this cover, which kind of looks cool, but maybe a pain. So it's maybe a little more work than I had anticipated, but fingers crossed thing is jamming in there. Finish her all up. Had to do a little bit of trimming to fit in by the coil packs. So it's now 1 of 1. Otherwise, got it all taken care of. Fan works. Drive this thing home, see what happens. It's like being in high school again. Work with the old man in the garage. Should start doing this more often. Free heat, free tools. But we'll see if I make her home. It's now nighttime and dark out. You guys probably can't see nothing, but it's running. Driving home and I have heat, but the high beams are stuck on. That's a problem for tomorrow. Well, Sunday morning, and as you can tell, I'm dressed warm. So as I was driving the 57 home yesterday, my old man was telling me, because he followed me home, got no brake lights. That would have been handy to know while I was in the garage. So instead, dressed up all warm, I'm going to channel my inner zip tie and bias ply vice grip garage. Those guys are way tougher than I am working outside. And this junk. Trying to fix brake lights by yourself is a real pain in the ass too, because you can't see if it's working or not. So hopefully it's something easy. But I did think I fixed the draw. So maybe it'll just start. Oh, it's froze. Because that would be handy, at least when I'm under the dash I can be warm. Alright, I'm gonna let this sucker warm up. See if I can fix it. Well, I'm in the car, fixed the brake lights. As it turns out, they were unplugged. Bunch of shit in the trunk, and I guess I was shit whipping around. They just unplugged, so that was a super easy fix. Instead, I went to favorite store, Canadian Tire, to get some overpriced steel on a Sunday. Oh, look at this heat! I got like 2 speeds. This thing is pretty freaking fancy. Wow, Danielle's a lucky lady. You know, not only do I have the look, I've got the skills to fix this thing too. So I'll beat on this thing a little bit just for some fun and head on home. Didn't yak the drive shaft. I think I'm going to drive this thing to work tomorrow. Okay. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. What else there? Tell your friends. Buy a shirt. Hello. I appreciate that. Thanks every one of you for watching. See you in the next video. Say it.
See you in the next video.
Oh, bye friends.
Bye friends.
Turn it off.